These are 3 weeks old Quaker babies. Yeah, they are 21 days old babies now, and they are pretty smart. They're very smart.
Yeah, are you there? Okay.
Hey guys, what's she doing? Why are you so much disturbance? There's so much fluffy, and they are very disturbed. You know, disturbed babies. Wait. Look. Wait. Tasha, give me a small baby, yeah? Give me the smallest one. The smallest one, baby. The smallest one. They are Quaker babies, and they are 21 days, 3 weeks old babies. And they almost have feathers now growing. So the feathers are growing, and they are much disturbed babies. Look here. Clap. One little fingers, clap. 2 little fingers, clap. 3 little fingers, clap. 4 little fingers, clap. 4 babies.